Hello students, let's continue our lesson Nutrition in Animals. In previous lecture, we studied about process of nutrition in single cellular and multicellular organism. In humans, there are 5 steps of process of nutrition: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. We have covered first step, ingestion and mouth part of human digestion system in the following steps: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Now we will continue with other parts of digestive system and process of nutrition. Human digestive system. We take food through our mouth, digest and utilize it as we discussed in previous lecture. Human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and its associated human digestive system glands. Various organs of human digestive system in sequence are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The glands which are associated with human digestive system are salivary glands located in mouth or buccal cavity, liver, it is the largest gland situated in the upper part of abdomen on the right side, pancreas located just below the stomach. The food pipe, esophagus. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. This figure shows the movement of food in food pipe which runs along the neck and chest. So the esophagus leads from your mouth to the stomach. It is made up of the muscles. Food is pushed down by movement of wall of food pipe. This movement is called peristalsis. Takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. Stomach. Stomach is a thick-walled bag present on left side of the abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Esophagus brings slightly digested food from mouth into the stomach. The stomach walls contains 3 tubular glands in it walls which secrete gastric juice. The gastric juice contains 3 substances: hydrochloric acid, the enzyme pepsin and mucus. The hydrochloric creates an acidic medium which facilitates an action of the enzyme pepsin, that is the digestion of protein into simple substances. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food. The mucus helps to protect the stomach wall from its own secretion of hydrochloric acid. The partially digested food then goes from the stomach into the small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meter long. After leaving stomach, food enters in small intestine and last step of the digestion takes place in small intestine. It receives secretion from liver and pancreas, and wall of small intestine also secretes juice. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body and is situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It secretes bile juice that is stored in gallbladder. Pancreas. It is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats and proteins and converts them into simple form. The partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine. The walls of the small intestines contain glands which secretes intestinal juice. The enzymes present in it finally convert the proteins into amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Absorption. Third step of process of nutrition. The small intestine is the main region for the absorption of digested food. The inner surface of the small intestine has numerous fingers like projections called villi, which increases the surface area for rapid absorption of digested food. The digested food, which is absorbed through the walls of the small intestines, goes into our blood. Assimilation. Fourth step process of nutrition. The blood carries these useful substances to each and every part of the body. The body uses these substances for its growth and maintenance. The absorption of digested food and its utilization by the body is known as assimilation. Glucose, which is the final product of carbohydrates, digestion is broken down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water to release energy. Amino acids are used for growth and repair of worn out cells. Fatty acid and glycerol store below the skin as energy reserve. Ejection. Last step of process of nutrition. The undigested and unabsorbed food moved into the large intestine to a part called colon, where some amount of water and salts are absorbed from the undigested food. The remaining undigested food that moves to the second part called rectum. Here it is stored and removed from the body through the anus. The exit of this waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. This process is known as ejection. Today we have discussed about digestion, absorption, assimilation, ejection in humans. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.